You guys, I got my wig today from DonaLoveHair and I'm gonna try it on and see how it is and what I think of it. So I'll show you guys an unboxing right now if you're interested. I have not worn a wig out in public before. So I'm just taking it out of the packaging right now. It's always so much harder doing this with one hand and I don't have a tripod for my phone. So that's what it looks like there. Comes in a really nice box, as you can see. So it just says DonaLoveHair, love is all. The box is not damaged in any way, so that is good. Let's just open this up. Inside I can see a comb, so it's probably a detangling comb for the wig, which is great. Then you've got the actual wig, and what else is there? A weave cap to hold the hair in place. Be interesting to try this because I've not worn anything like this. I have like a stocking cap but not a mesh cap. So the hair is wrapped around like a net and it's to prevent it from getting tangled. I'm just gonna try and get it out for you guys. It is a lace frontal as well, guys. So this is what it looks like up close. It's probably better in this lighting. I need to pluck the hairs so that I can give myself baby hairs and make it look more realistic. And let's see, inside there's some pins there. You can resize it with these hooks. I forgot to mention that this wig is also like heat resistant up to a certain temperature, so I can straighten it, which is what I'm going to do. But I need to like pluck it first. Now I'm using this gel. It's super glued by Schwarzkopf, and next level hold is up to number 7, which is the maximum hold that you will get. So in a way, this is like the got-to-be hair glue that you get in America, except we don't have that. We've got the got-to-be dry shampoo and the got-to-be spray, but we don't have the actual glue. So this is like the next thing closest to it. I'm just gonna grab like a whole bunch of this and then just apply this like literally all over my hair, because I really want to flatten it down and like get rid of all of my baby hair at the front here and just push everything down. Like I've got so much baby hair, it's not even funny. So now that my hair is tied up in a ponytail, I'm just gonna braid the end and then just like pin it back. Just grabbing some bobby pins, and I'm just gonna like try and pin this back as flat as I can in the back of my head. I don't know what I'm doing, keep in mind, so hopefully this is gonna work. I'm just going along as I go. I'm a lot more close up now, guys. Where am I? I don't even know. This is so different for me. My name is Melanie. You can call me Melanie. It feels really big on my head, not gonna lie, like it's just so weird. Like, do you guys like the way it looks? This is the back. Alright, so hopefully my camera doesn't go too nuts, but I'm gonna show you what the inside looks like. So I've plucked the crap out of it to make it look a bit more natural, but I have like this long piece of lace here and it's covering my ear. I don't know if I should be cutting this section off so that it looks like that, or should I fold it behind my ear? I don't know how to wear wigs, so I don't know if I should be oh no, it looks freaking retarded when I fold it behind my ear. I think I'm gonna have to cut this bit. Just wanted to show you guys what I did. So I had a massive flap of hair there and I just cut the lace off, so like this bit here looks more natural. And you can see my ear. What do you guys think of this wig on me? Do you like it? I haven't even like glued it down yet. I was thinking of putting some of this like gel underneath, or buying that got-to-be like yellow can spray and just like gluing it down the front. Like it looks alright so far, right? Like, do you think I can wear it in public? Is it too like bonk, like, you know, is it too large at the back of my head? Like, did I not flatten my real hair down flat enough? I don't know, like I'm so confused, guys. I don't know if I'm confident enough to go outside in public with this on. Like, I'll wear it as a costume party for a dress up sort of thing, but I don't know if I'm confident to walk out in public with this on without people knowing it's a wig. So I just kind of did a little test and went outside to see what it looked like, and it looks so nice from the front and the side, but it's so chunky here. I really need to make my hair more flatter at the end here because it's making the wig poke out too much. If you have any tips, let me know, because I really want to wear this wig out. I love it. I love the way it looks. I'm too scared to wear it out because right now I know that my head is sticking out from the back. I feel like an alien with two heads. Yeah, I love it. I have nothing but good things to say about this wig. I just really need to know how to apply it properly. So if you guys have any tips, let me know. I am genuinely interested to find out. I don't know how to do my own braids and stuff, so maybe something else. But yeah, I'm going to end this video now. I have a discount code. If you're interested, you get 25% off synthetic wigs. Thank you to Jackie from DonaLoveHair for hooking me up. Yay! Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!